Hey guys, I just can't believe it. I just made over $1,000 selling this one brand on Mercari.
It's time to resell, it's time to resell in the ATL, 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 resell, it's time to resell in the ATL flipper.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Derek, also known as the ATL Flipper, and I'm a full-time reseller on eBay and Mercari. You know what? I'm gonna have to be honest with you all. This brand that sold for over $1,000 on Mercari, it actually sold like a month and a half ago, but I just forgot to record the video for it. So I'm recording it right now. Don't hit me over the head. Don't put in the comments, oh, you late and all. Don't do all that, all right? Because here's the video, okay? Basically, I was in a Goodwill, and I was just going around looking up different items like I usually do, and I came across this one brand, and they had a whole bunch of items. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna just show you all a clip from when I picked up this item at Goodwill. All of these, y'all, it's called Rejuvenate, Smoothing, Interfuse, Skin Better Science. Each of these go for $100 on eBay, and I got around like almost 30 of them, guys. This is crazy. They only wanted $3, and they resell for $100. Sometimes a little bit more on eBay. Easy money. So as you saw in the video, I picked up a ton of these Better Science skincare products, and literally all of them have sold, guys, except for 2. So let me show you all the ones that sold. So I picked up 5 of these Invisilift finishing creams. The first one sold for $51. The second one sold for $54. The third one sold for $54. The fourth one sold for $64. And the fifth one sold for $84. Let's get it. Woo! Now on to the next ones. Then I sold 8 of the Interfuse Intensive Creams. The first one sold for $68. The second one sold for $71. The third one sold for $71. The fourth one sold for $71. The fifth one sold for $71. And the sixth one sold for $71. The seventh one, it sold for $94. And the last one sold for $94. Now on to the next ones. Then I sold one of the Alpha Red Overnight Creams for $60. The last type of creams I sold was the Even Tone Correcting Cream, and I sold 5 of these. The first one sold for $60. The next one sold for $60. The next one sold for $60. Then the fourth one sold for $75. And the last one sold for $90. So the total gross profit I made, $1,323. After the 10% listing fee, $1,190.70. And then after the cost of goods, $1,133.70. And then after the shipping fees, it leaves me with a total of $1,057.70. So that's how much I've made by selling all of these products on Mercari. And I still have 2 left. I have 2 left, so I can't wait until those sell too. So if you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Peace.
It's time to resell, it's time to resell in the